in progress.
What's good, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? I hope you guys had a great weekend. There's something here. All right. Looking at gold here today, I am actually anticipating buys. So right now, NQ, we won't be trading this until NYSE open. So we'll see what happens. And gold, we just gotta wait for gold to either break above 3311.4 or we pretty much come back, and once we break, we wait for a pullback to level of demand and we take the buys. And even if we do not break right now, as long as we can come back to at least this 15-minute demand here, I will take buys. Oh, sorry, Zoom, you guys couldn't hear me. Should be able to hear me now. The mic was on my headphones.
Hey, King.
Hey, bye, how you doing?
I'm good, man. How are you?
I'm good. Chilling.
Yeah, volume was crap this morning, eh?
Yeah. The buys would have worked out, but man, would have taken forever.
Yeah. I enjoyed the JJ Okocha documentary, though.
Oh, you did?
He was he was such a good player.
Yeah, he was.
Such a good player.
He really helped Bolton for 4 seasons.
He was I still can't believe that he played for Bolton, man.
Yeah, no other English team wanted Premier League team wanted him aside from Spanish teams. And
Yeah.
he didn't want to go to La Liga. He wanted to come to the Premiership. Which was weird. Like no other Premier League team wanted him. As good as he
I
was.
know. It's crazy. He would have been a good player for like even teams like Liverpool. It's crazy.
Yep. Yeah, Liverpool
That
might have even won. They might have won a freaking Premier League title.
might have done back then. Yeah, back then. I understand. I mean, United, they were just so dominant in the early 2000s. But
Man, he
yeah,
was
other
yeah.
teams.
Back then, it was always between Man U and Arsenal.
Yeah.
Maybe they didn't want him because of his age at the time. I think it was like between 28 and 30 at the time.
Yeah, probably. Probably. Maybe a little bit inconsistent.
Yep. He was very entertaining to watch, though.
That whole team, that whole Bolton team were good.
Yep.
But now you look at where they are. League One, I think they are now.
Damn. Hey, Dr. Eel, how you doing? Yeah, New York is open, still no volume.
It's just drifting high to low, high to low.
Yeah, it's crazy. Good morning, Max.
I've been trying to short this all day.
Oh,
Keeps like
London or
yeah,
Asian as well?
just the this London, yeah, just like the last hour or so. Just been trying to catch this. So I get like a couple of pips in profit, and then it comes back up, and then I just shorted it again from here. Got some good profit, got me out. Yeah, it's just these sellers keep getting rolled.
Yeah, it's kind of like on the way down, it's like sellers are making money, but it keeps retracing nonstop. But damn, Asian session was good. Holy shit.
Yeah, you guys are making some money in Asia.
Yeah.
I don't know what Edwin is doing.
No one knows what Edwin's doing. Oh man, Edwin, do you know what you're doing?
We're looking for buys, not sales right now.
Yeah, see, these sellers are no joke. They're massive, massive orders. It's spiking down, but then just coming straight back up.
I guess they're gonna. It's kind of. I guess it's probably like the Nasdaq that day, where it's probably just gonna walk its way up very, very slowly.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, man. I'm just looking at it now, like, holy shit, there's some big fucking orders in here,
Yeah.
eh?
Yeah, that's why I keep trying to sell
Fuck.
it.
Fuck.
I'm only catching like 10, 20 pips at a time, but these are big, big boys.
Yeah. I just want to see it make like a very sharp move in one direction or another, and then just wait for the pullback and ride it.
Yeah.
I'm definitely looking for buys on gold as of right now. Clean traffic up, not on the 30, not on the 1, only on the 4-hour time frame. But I am expecting this to go higher though. We should find some rejection here just to fake in sellers, and then we go back up.
Oh, I saw a little bit of the Aaron trades from Top Step today. And man, he's gonna get fired.
Why you say that?
Because he's just like giving trading signals. That's not good business for Top Step. They want traders to lose.
Yeah.
Oh.
Holy shit.
I mean, they would have told him what they wanted him to do.
Yeah. But if he's making the viewers money, that's not good for Top Step.
This scene on the breaking news: Spain, Portugal, and parts of France hit by massive power outage. Possible cyber attack.
Oh.
Holy shit.
Hourly does look clean too. The hourly looks clean up until we get to this minor resistance around 3226.7. And if you look here at the 15-minute time frame, so what we have here is we have this range, right? So we have this range that this low created this high at 3311. So, and if we look to the left in this range between 3348 and 3280, pretty much you have your major high and you have your major low here. So if this low can break above 3311, then we'll wait for the buy continuation. However, looking to the left, you also have this minor high that created this low at 3326. So there could be some rejection even before we get to 3226. And then we have our pullback and then our continuation to the upside. But I'm expecting gold to get back up to 3348. I'm not expecting gold to fall because pretty much this high failed to break the below the low that created it, and it even created the low, created this high, came down, couldn't break the low that it first created. And if this low break these highs, then we should continue to the upside.
Or we have no volume and we range.
Yeah, with that. If I'm even gonna sell at all, it's gonna be at this high, not here. Man, the fact that we have no volume right now is crazy work. Wait a second. NQ is ranging, gold is ranging.
I shorted it again.
Yeah, this one was much better. Much better.
Yeah,
That
this
was
one
much
was
better.
like a valid or not
Yeah,
so much valid, but like a good looking setup.
it's 3308.5. I got it.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Damn, that's a good entry. Holy shit. I probably would have gotten it like at least 5 pips lower than you because
Man,
man, you good.
so you guys don't look at structure, momentum. You don't care about that. You just
Yeah, no, I do.
mm,
Definitely, you do.
yeah.
When I look at, let's say that little where you've got that resistance drawn up, I sort of draw a box around that rather than just a line.
Mm,
So let's say you would have, say, this little, where you've got your line here, I would just be looking at when price gets into that sort of area.
oh,
Have it more like an area rather than a line, and then just see what happens when it gets there. And then if something happens, just take a position off of it.
okay. Mm.
Oh snap! Look at that shit.
But it's thin. It's thin on volume. It's leaving gaps. It's gonna yo-yo.
Hey, Joe Smith, how you doing? Good morning.
See what I mean? It's like, man, the moment it leaves gap in the candle, it's gonna go straight back into the gap.
Snap straight back.
You know, terrible volume.
Zero volume.
Man, and the crazy thing is that move was like 30 pips. It moved 30 pips with no volume. What the fuck? How's that even a thing?
Fucking bullshit.
Oh man.
Yeah, so yeah, King. I'll only ever use the zones that you've taught me to draw and to look at, and confirm it with order flow. Otherwise, you just get trapped. Like I did that first week. I used order flow and just got whacked. Because otherwise you'll just trade everything if you don't look at the zones, the structure, the supply, the demand, resistance, support. You'll trade everything in the middle.
Yeah, that's the problem. You don't want to be caught in the middle of things.
Yes. Yeah, exactly.
Man, even comics up on nothing happened.
Oh, oh, wow. That's not a good sign.
No, it's not.
I predict a crazy move. It's building. It's building up.
Been building up for how many hours?
Yeah, it's building. This is it though. This is it. This thing's gonna pop. Think all these huge sellers and markets not moving down.
A huge pop to the upside, you're saying?
I'll tell you after it happens.
Okay, gotcha.
But there'll be a pop. There'll be a pop.
Oh, just made man. I'm sorry. You lost your live account. Now you're trying to get back to SFA Express. So frustrating. We'll keep pushing. Yep, keep pushing, man. They're about to whack those sellers right now.
Yeah. Oh well. I hope everyone took that signal. Move stops the break even. I called it.
uh, Unfortunately, that's a very small pop.
Yeah,
I mean, it
nothing wrong with
should
my.
keep going higher.
There we go. Nothing wrong with my pop. Thank you very much.
Look at how weak this thing is.
I know it's so crap.
Yeah, bad guys.
It's already fallen back inside. It lasted all of like a second. This is pathetic.
Yeah, it's like with my wife. I build it up. There's going to be a massive pop, and then it doesn't last very long, and it comes back down.
Uh, I really don't like low volume. Because if this was not low volume, man, I'd be like, oh, sure, I'm gonna sell it. But I know it's low volume, so I can't trust anything. Could just continuously like chop its way up.
Yeah, I mean, look at it. Look at it now. That was actually quite a sharp drop down. 30
Yeah.
pips, 40 pips.
Yeah.
Good morning, DS.
And
Thank you.
Shark move down, straight back up, hovering, yo-yoing. Oh, brutal, brutal.
I don't know Jay Smith, but I know Dottie is trading a live account with them now. So
Yeah. What's up?
you're trading a funded account right now, right? With Take Profit Trader.
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Yeah. Just arrived. What's is it in the chat? No? Oh, someone on YouTube, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What they ask?
Good morning, Rico. Oh, you've got a payout from Take Profit Trader? I would like to see at least one more bullish candle here on the 15, but right now we do have this 30-minute demand here. Oh no, just made she didn't get a payout yet. NQ.
Oh, wow. Tap the bottom of the range, tap the top, back to the bottom, back to the top.
Yeah, NQ had good moves though in London, but she just didn't give us a setup. And this one came late. Oh. See how this candle is gonna close. Man, this volume sucks.
Honestly, it it irritates me watching it. Uh,
I hope this candle closes in 5 minutes. And NQ still ranging. Looking at buys from this level on gold. We'll see. if we do take a buy from here, we're looking at 120 ticks stop loss. $33.14.9.
Order submitted.
Man, when is this volume gonna kick in?
I'm pretty sure that was the volume, but I said that's the big pop.
Oh, you guys wanted more?
uh,
YouTube, those of you DMing me about the bootcamp I used to do, so now I brought it back, and we'll be having one next month, May 2nd. This time around is going to be 3 days, so if you're interested, you can lock in your spot. The link is in the description. So probably we'll be doing it every month or not, we'll see. But first one for this year will be next month, May 2nd. Alright, so come down to the 15-minute then. That's even better. One hour supply currently doing this thing right now. Yeah, you never know when you're gonna get that move, kill the bit. The way I'm looking at gold right now, I don't think it's gonna give a strong pullback.
All I know is that we started the New York session and we're still there. We're still right at the same place.
We actually are. I didn't say, wait, this is New York. Yeah, maybe today's trade will be NQ. We'll see.
What's it doing? Okay. NQ is easy. There's a gap fill to the high side from a couple weeks back, so yeah, that gap fill. Oh no, like from like a couple weeks ago, I think. Yeah, inside of that 4-hour candles there's a gap. If gold wants to piss everybody off, it'll go back down just as slowly as it went up.
Man, she better not do that.
Oh man, that was horrible.
Edwin, how's the taxes over there in Indonesia? What are they like?
Oh man, horrible. But it's not as high as the Western country for sure.
Oh, okay.
I think Australia's got like a 40% or 50% from your
Tax.
what? Yeah.
Yeah.
And we're not that high.
Oh, I'm on.
So what's yours? Like 30?
Oh,
I say around 10. Or maybe
What?
can go
10?
less. Yeah, 10%.
oh, well,
10%.
And you said it's really bad? What the fuck?
Nah, you don't know bad, Edwin.
10%? Holy
10%.
shit.
Yeah,
Okay.
it can go lower if you have like a lower wage.
yeah,
Basically, you
I
don't pay
would-
no tax.
I would
But-
gladly pay 10.
I'll pay 10.
I'm going to Indonesia.
I was looking at like some
uh,
places in
uh,
Indonesia and I was like, man, I might go there.
I'll smile while paying it too.
Yep. Yep.
Here's your 10%. I made this during London.
Oh,
Man.
That's
Oh my
crazy.
God. That's amazing. Holy shit. 10%. What the hell?
Hey, I guess it's time to pack our bags.
Yep. And man, I was like looking like, man, let me check out some condos, like, like 1 to 2 bedroom condos in Indonesia. I'm like, damn, they all look really nice. And they all got like little pools. Like they got like a little mini pool and mini
Yeah.
garden. I'm like, wow.
Even in Thailand too.
Oh. Oh my God. Complaining about 10% tax. What's wrong with this guy?
I mean, you can't blame him. He's been there all his life, I'm guessing.
He's living the dream. Man, that's why people go to Bali and Dubai where it's 0.
Yo.
Yep.
I think we should have like a King Abe Dubai office.
Who's gonna be there?
I'll do it. Oh man. Oh yeah, no weed for King in Dubai.
That's true.
Yep. That's why Dubai is not the one for me.
Oh, I'm pretty sure like weed is banned in Bali. I'm pretty sure. Those Asian countries, they're very strict as well.
Man. Ish. Is it legal too in Indonesia, Edwin? Damn. Oh, is legal in Thailand? Get a bit?
Huh? Man, you do not want to go
Oh.
to jail in one of those shitty countries.
Man.
They're not shitty, but you don't want to go to a prison in that kind of country.
Yeah.
God, the volume's so bad.
Yeah. I trade my BNQ.
Yeah. Hmm. Build a beat. He just jinxed it. He said today's trade might be no trade.
Yo, when did you say that?
Just now.
Oh. Maybe for him, because he doesn't trade and kill. DS said, good save there. Wow. The woke mob was about to come for you.
Man, so many people in Western countries are woke. It's insane.
Yeah.
So much wokeness.
Yeah.
Even my new PC has LGBTQ colors. Nothing wrong with that.
Man, there was like a couple months ago, like YouTube kept like putting on this like colorful ad. Like, it's like you got videos and then one is just purely an ad and then you got more videos. Like, and I was like, never really looked at it. And then I looked at it one day and I'm like, because I see it like for weeks on end. And I'm like, LGBTQ plus test. I'm like, what the fuck, Google? Do you think I'm gay or some shit? Have you been showing me this ad for like weeks on end?
Your algorithm is telling us everything we need to know. What have you been looking at?
Now we gotta wait and see how this candle is going to close. Wow, take a breath for me, please. I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick.
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
Jana said it's okay to be gay. Yes, yes it is.
let's move on from that. Like,
Man, I'm gonna get all kinds of haters from their group too. I've got enough haters in my life. Man, even over the weekend, like had some family members meet up and it's like, holy shit. One of them's like a cousin of mine and she's like a fucking crazy woke bitch. Was like going off at me and she's like telling me how I'm rude and condescending and angry and I'm like, I'm not even angry. I'm not even raising my voice. You're raising your voice. You're going crazy. And then she's like starts to drop F-bombs as I, like own her in the conversation. And I'm like, you're
oh my
telling me to
god.
be polite and you're fucking like, you're crazy. It's like, that's always the number one thing with these crazy people is they try to promote their, it's like the oil group. It's like, yeah, we
Yeah.
want to do anti-oil, but then they're getting in the way of everybody and fucking even like ambulances and things like that. And then you
Oh
got
yeah, just up oil or
people,
something.
yeah,
Yeah.
that thing. And then you got the people who are like, like don't kill animals, vegans and shit. And then they start like, destroying shops and attacking people and stuff. And it's like all these people seem to want to promote like something supposedly good, but they're all evil. They all do bad things,
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Man. I agree with everything your cousin said about you. No, I'm joking. I'm joking.
Hell, I agreed with some of the stuff. I
Oh
was like,
man,
yeah,
yeah. Okay,
I'm
yeah.
definitely
So
being
true.
condescending. Trust me.
Man. Yeah, you're not rude though. I won't have her tell that about you.
I have all sons, been gay, will not give me any grandchild, so you'll know where I stand. Son of a bitch! Damn! All of them turned gay? What the fuck happened? Man, what happened? What the fuck happened there? Something went wrong.
Yeah, what's the title of the movie? Killed him. Oh, you were talking about this stuff. I thought you were talking about that what you just said. That could be a
Oh,
great movie.
oh man. Ah. Was the SL? Shit, I don't even know. Last time Abe spoke, I think he said like 120. But that was like for the entry up there. So if you have entry here, bet you could do like 100. Ah,
Yeah, it should be
yeah, like
100.
100, maybe 110. But I'll just say 120 because that's what I said earlier. And I don't know if he changed it.
Yeah, that's what it's gonna be. 120. I think last time I checked. Yeah. That's what it's gonna be. 120. Is it 9.1?
Oh, Cash said he means if they are gay, I will not get any grandkids.
Oh, okay.
Woof. Thank God.
Thirty more seconds for this candle to close. Not looking bad on the 5.
Order filled.
Stop filled.
All right, we're in buys. I'm in gold buys. Oh, let's see how this goes. Yes, we are in TB. We took good buys. I guess you just joined. I even have it on the screen too. Oh, you want me to put the position to inside the candles? I mean, does not matter. It's right there on the screen. It says I'm in a long position. The reason why I have it like this is so that you guys can actually see the candles better.
Yeah, it is better like that. It's
Yeah.
annoying.
I've noticed some people
Other-
get confused because it's not covering it.
Yeah.
Man, even if it's covering it, they're confused. They'll be like,
Yeah.
is that a buy or a sell?
Back in the day, I used to do it. Oh, okay. Yeah, you're right. But even back then, I used to like, I'll let you guys know that, okay, I'm not in, or I'll say it's a paper trade. And then my internet is slow today. Oh boy. NYSE is about to open. Let's see if they're gonna agree with us.
Straight to the moon.
I don't see why not.
There you go. Straight to the moon.
USA. USA.
Yeah, NYC is open. We in gold, so there will be no NQ today. Mhm. Ah, come on, Goldie. Can we get more likes? We got at 80 plus people watching. At least, can we at least get 40 something likes since you got only 80 plus watching? At least half of the viewers. Hmm.
Hey Siri, set a timer for 60 minutes. Oh, hey Siri, delete that. Hey Siri, set a timer for 40 minutes.
40 minutes.
I can't believe Rocky and Mickey are still upstairs, huh? Buddy? Hmm? You gotta talk to me. Okay? Come on, be nice to me.
You're in NQ sales. Why is gold playing? Wow. And I close some profit on NQ, J. Smith. This thing is gonna go back up. At least should. And wow. This NYSE traders are saying no to these buys. Yeah. Yeah, yes, we're patient.
Right now, Spain has power cuts. So they won't be having any
Spain has what? Power cuts?
cuts there right now. You know, when I was there last summer, there was one, and I didn't know that it was a. Didn't know at first what the. I thought it was just my internet, but it's a complete power cut. It's just so frustrating when you get a power cut. Gosh.
Mm.
Kilda said my apartment is fine. Are you sure? It's wide. It's Spain wide apparently. Or you got some kind of what you call it, solar power. You got solar power, Kilda.
Oh, Kirby, you're in Spain? When did you
Spain?
go
Where are you
there?
in Spain?
Hmm?
Where are you?
Oh, you said no.
So what do you mean? You got an apartment there and it's fine, and you know it's fine. Yeah, but I think it's on mainland maybe. Ibiza is a different world. Ibiza is where millionaires live. Yeah, I'm in the mainland. Mainland.
Kirby is a baller. Got an
Yeah.
apartment in Ibiza.
When did he get that? I mean, that ain't easy to have. They got some nice places there. Oof. Nice, I like that.
You don't own it. Shit, even if you're renting an apartment in Ibiza, it's no joke. Yeah. Wow, that would be crazy if good actually falls from here. Wow, wow, wow. Damn. Look at Nas.
Wow. Damn.
This is the Nas buys we
Fuck.
would have taken. And gold is freaking messing up. I can't believe it came down again. Wow. Shit. Not even a bad stop loss. Oh, wow. J. Smith, I hope you close your sales on NQ. Man, come on, man. That's crazy that this thing. Wow. Just went up there, created a lower high. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, Copyri is looking like it. We'll see how this kind of closes. Good may eat 32.74 again. Yeah, I think this thing wants lower because there's no point for it to freaking create another resistance up there. No. And NQ is gone. Mm. Man, that would be crazy, kid. Does that and then freaking goes up. That would be crazy. Mm. Wow. We're hanging on by a thread right now. First trade of the week. We got out of NQ. Alright, nice. We try to buy in a retracement. If it stops us out, then your retracement is gonna have to be lower. Possibly it is 15-minute demand here. Well, really trying to shake out the bias. Yeah. I do see it now though, because the 1 hour didn't close above this minor resistance, so that could be the reason why we're trying to retrace deeper here. Well, yeah, it's over with. She wants lower.
Stop filled.
Alright, well, that's my first trade of the week. And it's a loss. Still got the whole week, so As long as we finish in the week in profit, that's all that matters. You can try to avoid losses all you want, but it is going to happen. So, goal is always to win more than we lose. That's always the goal. So, well, that's it for me. Yeah, already missed out on NAS because we was in gold. So, it is what it is. We go again tomorrow. I appreciate you guys who took that loss. So we'll be back again tomorrow and we'll see how it goes. What the hell? Why didn't this thing stop me out?
Order filled.
Anyways, that's crazy. Wait, did I guess? Okay, I'm out. All right, YouTube. I appreciate you all. God bless you guys. We'll go again tomorrow, so hopefully we make some money tomorrow. I'll see you guys then. Have a great day. I'm out. Peace. All right, Zoom. I'm gonna see you guys during London session.
All right, thanks,
Yeah,
Ed.
we'll go again. All right, see you guys tomorrow.
Record.